So this Sears Craftsman edger works perfectly now. Didn't really have a whole lot to do on it other than clean it up. The main thing that I had to do was put some new bubble gum. That's another word for welds. I'm not really a welder, by the way, but I put some welds tacked here and right back here. That weld turned out a lot better than this one did, but it'll hold it in place. I've only welded a few times before, so I'm not really all that great at it, but definitely looks like I can get the job done anyways. But this thing was broken off, and when I had found this thing at the curb a couple years ago, this was just sitting right here on the handle or somewhere on the unit. Thankfully, they gave it to me with this thing. Sometimes people kind of forget, they throw the piece away and that's it, but that's more than likely why this thing was thrown away, because the engine runs perfectly. I did put a new air filter on it, and I did tune the carburetor a little bit. Here's the high side and there's the low side for your idle speed. Wasn't really too much to that. I put some fresh gas in it, threw some Marvel mystery oil in, and changed the oil. And then with the oil, I put some Marvel mystery into the oil that I put in, as well as some Lucas oil stabilizer. Just basically what I had left, only a couple ounces of that stuff. So anyways, let's turn this thing on. I'll show you guys how it runs. But I already went through and edged over there. Runs pretty good. Sure to make somebody happy.